Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Another great news for Pi Network. So the Pi token is now live on Onramp Money platform. Here is the official announcement from their X or Twitter account. So Pi token is now listed on Onramp Money. So disclaimer here that we need to ensure that our Pi wallet is not whitelisted before making a purchase. So let's click this link. So let's explore what we can do with this integration. So I'm redirected to this page. So here, so it automatically set the default currency based on your location. So I'm in the Philippines, and that's why it is automatically set to PHP. And let's see if I can do purchase a minimum amount. So let's see, 600. So 700 is the minimum amount that we can use in order to buy the Pi token. So you can also pay with Gcash, Maya, Alipay. So these payment methods are available in the Philippines, so I guess it will adjust based on your location. So if we continue, so here after you set the amount, you're going to enter your wallet address here. So just grab that wallet address from your Pi wallet, and then I think once you finish, then it will continue, or the Pi will be automatically deposited to your Pi account.